Hello, my dear children. Welcome to English class. In today's English class, we will start a new chapter, chapter number 9. It's Children's Day. Children, let's first read out the chapter, alright? All of you put your index finger while reading. It's Children's Day. Today is 14th November. Do you know why it is an important day? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on this day in 1889. He was a great freedom fighter and was the first Prime Minister of India. Pandit Nehru loved children and was always ready to spend time with them. He was fondly called Chacha Nehru by all children. In fact, most of his famous pictures are with children. That is why his birthday, 14 November, is celebrated as Children's Day. Did you know that he started wearing a rose on his jacket after a child pinned one on it? Pandit Nehru also founded the National Bal Bhavan for children. It provides various activities for them. Schools all over the country celebrate this day. Children dress up in colorful clothes and go to school. The teachers conduct many activities like fancy dress competitions, quizzes, dance, and drama shows, etc. In some schools, teachers also perform in cultural shows to entertain the children. The children get sweets and chocolates. It certainly is a very enjoyable day. So children, the chapter is all about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In this chapter, we will learn why Children's Day is celebrated. But before I explain, let's learn the word meaning of this chapter. Freedom fighter. Freedom fighter means a person who fights for the freedom of his or her country. जो लोग अपने देश के आज़ादी के लिए लड़ाई करते हैं उन्हें हम फ्रीडम फाइटर कहते हैं. Next word, fondly. Fondly means with love. In Hindi we say प्यार से. Next word, pinned. Pinned means attached or fastened with a pin or pins. मतलब पिन से चिपका हुआ. Next is founded. Founded means set up or started. In Hindi we say shuru hua. The last word, entertain. Entertain means give someone enjoyment. मतलब मनोरंजन. Children, do you know who is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was a great freedom fighter and fought for the freedom of our country. Do you know when was he born? He was born on 14th November 1889. 14th November 1889. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much. He was always ready to spend time with them. And even the children were very fond of him. Do you have any idea what they used to call Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? They used to call him Chacha Nehru. In fact, most of his famous pictures were taken with children. So children, in order to remember him, his birthday, that is 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day. Can you see this picture? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to wear a rose on his jacket. Children, do you know why he started wearing a rose on his jacket? He started wearing a rose after a small child like you had pinned one rose on his jacket. So children, every time when he goes out, he never missed out to wear a red rose on his jacket to show his fondness towards children like you. Alright? You know, he also founded the National Bal Bhavan for children. It provides various activities such as drawing, painting, dance, music, skating, cricket, etc. All the schools in India celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November to remember him. On that day, children wear colorful dresses and go to school. And even the teachers conduct many fun activities such as fancy dress competitions, quizzes, dance and drama shows, etc. In our school, even the teachers also perform on stage to entertain the children. On Children's Day, the children get lots of sweets and chocolates from their teachers. Children's Day is celebrated with full of fun and joy. It certainly is a very memorable and enjoyable day, right?